Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn or use your data when you are in aeroplane mode on your device. So first of all, as you can see, I'm on airplane mode already, and as you can see, I can navigate and do anything during my airplane mode, yet I cannot receive any calls or do anything with my line. I can only browse and use my data, but you cannot get me through text message or call. So how do I do this? First of all, you go to your die box, die **# 4636 **#. Then if na sim 1 you want do am, go to, if na sim 1 data your data is, you go turn this mobile radio power on. You understand? It is always off, go turn it on. Like now that I turn it off, I cannot use data while I'm on aeroplane mode, so I'll turn it on. Once I turn it on, if I want to go check whether just run ping test, now you can now go to your Chrome or whatever. Now type, let me say I want to go 0422 V6 series. I can now go scan through and do anything I want to do. If I want to turn this feature off, I'll still go back, die *## 4636 *##. Then I'll go turn it off. So now that I've turned it off, if I go back to my browser, I cannot do anything again. It's now offline.